Children, do you all like hearing stories from the Bible? Yes? Today we are going to hear the story of two brothers from the book of Exodus. Do you know their names? They were Moses and Aaron. Aaron is the elder brother and Moses the younger one. They were the children of Amram and Jochebed. One day, Moses was looking after his flock of sheep near the Mount of Horeb. Suddenly, he saw a strange sight. Do you know what it was? It was a burning bush. But the branches were not burning up. Moses was so excited, so he went closer to see the strange sight. Suddenly, he heard the voice of God from the burning bush. God told Moses that the life of his chosen people, the Israelites, was so miserable in Egypt. You know one thing? King Pharaoh, the king of Egypt, was so cruel to them. So God decided to save his people. For that, he selected Moses to carry out this task. Hearing this, Moses became so frightened. He told God that his speech and his tongue was slow and he was not good in speaking in front of King Pharaoh. He also requested God to select someone else to do this task. God permitted Moses to take his brother along with him. Do you remember his name? Yes, Aaron. Aaron was good in speaking. Instead of Moses, Aaron could speak to Israelites and to King Pharaoh. God reminded him to take his rod with him to show many miracles so that they can prove that God truly was with them. Thus, Moses started off to see Aaron. When they met, he explained everything God told him. Together, they performed some miracles and Israelites believed them. Afterwards, both of them went to the palace of Pharaoh and requested him to free the Israelites so that they could worship their God. But Pharaoh was not willing to do so. Instead, he asked Moses and Aaron to perform some miracles if they were the messengers of God. Hearing this, Aaron threw his rod down onto the ground in front of Pharaoh. Do you know what happened to that rod? Suddenly, the rod became a huge snake. Seeing this, all the magicians who were gathered in the palace did the same thing. They threw their rods down and it became snakes. But the snake of Aaron swallowed all other snakes. But Pharaoh didn't seem to care it, and he was so angry and he refused to let Israelites go. Then God showed many signs and miracles through these two brothers, and he also sent some diseases which finally made Pharaoh to let the Israelites go with Aaron and Moses. Thus, these two brothers, Moses and Aaron, liberated the Israelites from Egypt. Did you all enjoy the story? Okay, now we will do a small activity. For this, we require an A4 sheet paper, crayons or color pencils, pen, a pencil and a glue. Then fold this sheet of paper like this, and then fold a triangle shape from here. Then draw a picture of Aaron over here, a picture of rod over here, and picture of snake here. And then using glue, paste this side like this. Then color all pictures, Aaron, rod and the snake neatly. After that, write Aaron threw down his rod over here, and here you could write and it became a serpent. So this is your activity. Aaron threw down his rod. It became a serpent.